It's time to play another round Balloons Tower Defense 6. But today's challenge is I only can use helicopters. That is going to be a heck of a lot of fun. So please subscribe, you can turn off the bell. And now I'm going to stop yapping and let's get into the round. It was going pretty good until round 40. Because then this happened. Yeah. Everything was okay until round 63. Because then Mope surprised me and pushed my helicopters far, far away from the start. Twice. I should do better. Oh, never mind. 3 times. And that happened. Over again. And over. And over. And over. And over. And over. And over. And over again. But this round is different. You will see why in a minute. Okay, never mind, you see it now, because I think you guess what happened. Womp womp. But I finished 75 rounds, so subscribe, and if you want you can turn the bell off. Bye.